my sequin. Where's Trevor? Baby.
Hi, Funny.
Look at her. There's Trevor. Look at look. Look at wow.
Come here. Come here.
You only flip it turns.
Yay, Bubba's!
So we get to keep the flag.
You get to keep it?
Wow.
That's all.
Yeah. Meaning she didn't know she done it.
Yeah, well, I don't think she has.
Everybody.
All right. It's been a while.
Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now we can eat. I'm hungry.
You do.
They're different in order.
This is all what I went to the store, man. But I think they're going
Yeah.
So, yeah, I've been used to be, but not that. Yeah.
I love the blue.
Good morning, guys. I am home alone right now, and Jay took Trevor to get a haircut, to get Jay's haircut, not Trevor's. And today is a parade for Memorial Day that we are going to, and I believe fireworks are tonight too, so we have a fun day ahead of us.
From the lakes of Minnesota.
What time is this supposed to start? 11?
11, yeah.
Across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston.
I don't know. Yep.
There's no cars. You gotta run out there.
Men who died, who
Gotta be fast.
fight to live, and I'm glad we stand up.
Really? Can you get some with me?
Speaking of food, if you guys are, even if you're not, you are with activity once again with our Civil War living history encampments. There are many activities down here.
Good job, honey. Wave to these guys. Oh, he didn't see you, honey. Look at, wave, wave. All right. Wave to the sky. Oh, he's got a doggy.
Now joining us is our own, the Waterloo.
Some do and some don't.
Medical.
wanna go give him a hug? Oh, Daffy Duck! Hi! Oh, thank you.
Oh, bagpipe.
Right, I just made some pizza for dinner, and pretty soon, it's like 7:45 right now, so at about 9:30 we're gonna go see some fireworks, and that's like an hour past Trevor's bedtime, so hopefully he will be able to stay up. I think he will because he is excited to see the fireworks. I'm tired. I'm tired. Why do fireworks have to be so late? It's 9 o'clock right now and it's still a little light out, so it won't be dark enough until about 9:30.
Hey guys, come my candy.
Oh yes, Trevor got tons of candy at the parade.
Yeah, I did.
Look at all that.
Ready, guys?
If tomorrow all the things were gone I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife, I'd thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of